out a whole house, complete home, to a widow. The widow has been sleeping on the street in Galeja Junction with 2 kids, and that alone speaks volume of who Jumabi is.
On behalf of our brother who celebrated his birthday today, this is the key to your new apartment.
Hello my people, on a day I greet the house, so now do well. As soon as they help me to the share, comment, like. God go really bless you now. I appreciate now do well. Now do well. My people, this video where I bring on, so I just see am for net. So the something just as I just watch and say, me I still share am to una. Me I'll put the full video, more watch am. So this man, na person way help this man help this woman. No say some people that they call on social media, they beg for say they not get house, or they lose house, or they not feel make am with money, mona beg, mona help. So this man come see this woman last year. He said that very day na him birthday. So the man come decide say, as I just see this woman, I want make her help her for my birthday. So he say he can rent house for the woman, buy mattress, furnish the room for the woman, cause he no want see the woman again for road, say they beg money, say to eat or anything at all. Say the man can't help her. The video go still there here, the time where they give the woman key. So now this man can't see this woman for road again, say sit down, come they beg. And the man just come back from abroad, now London they stay. So when this man come see this woman, and I come call her, because information don't come they meet and say the woman still they beg, and you still see her for another foundation, say they still help her. So now the man come stop this guy, come they ask this woman, say, you know me? The woman say no. When the woman come near the man, I come tell her, say, now me be that man wey give you money last year. Now me rent house for you, may you dey stay. Now I come dey greet her, come say, why you come still dey beg again? So the woman come dey tell her, say, wetin cause am wey she come still dey beg again, and because of say her daughter wey dey that be na her son, I no know, wey dey near her because of exam wey you wan do. Then because money no dey, she be tell those people wey help am last year, say abeg mona give me that brother number, say I wan call am, talk to am, beg am say my pikin wan do exam. He say but they no give am. So the woman no get another option wey she go do. Now she come dey start to dey beg again, make it help pikin, because he say no one, maybe the pikin be like all those pocket picker wey dey stay for now wey dey big person collect their money for their hand. So now the man vex. I know say some women dey or some men dey wey you don help them finish, they will still go again, go dey hustle, because e be like wetin enter their blood, or na wetin dem like, they still go dey do am. So the man vex, say because he no wan see this woman for here. Then the woman come tell am, say wetin she just need na that school fees. If you fit help am do that one, like you no go see am again for there. I pray may be like that, because some people then they think say that the money and they pluck am for abroad. They know they pluck am. E no easy. Anybody wey give you money for abroad, tell am say you do well. E no easy at all. Una bye bye my people. I put the video.
Madam, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Do you know me?
Yes, sir.
Well, come on, tell you something.
What do you want?
I was the one in London
Yes.
during my birthday last year that sent money for you to rent a house.
Yes, sir.
That bought everything in the house. In that house, I put everything in that house for you.
Yes, sir.
Because I saw your condition.
Yes,
I said I wanted to make you my own birthday present. I put you in the house,
Yes, sir.
put TV in the house, Abi, for you to be comfortable.
Yes, sir.
They sent me a video, my entire Kogi team, they were all with you for my birthday. Then they said 2 weeks later you gave the house out and came back to the street.
Daddy.
What happened? What happened?
Yes,
And before that time, somebody sent me a message on Facebook that they saw this woman, that they gave you a house again. One organization, a non-governmental organization gave you a house, and that you sold the house to somebody else again. I didn't know.
Sir, it's not so.
So how can I put you in the house
No.
and you leave the house
Daddy,
and come back to the streets?
Daddy, wait. Let me say now. Daddy, I managed also. They did the exam successful. I asked her, I said, please, this man that's Jim, please give us his number. Let's talk to him. A man who can do this for us can also help us today. I've been praying. I used to ask your boys, please, where is there's a day I came to that gate. They said your house is opposite the government house. I asked those escorts that nobody, they said you people are running. So this girl now did it. Even the school self daddy, our activities wanted to, and now somebody came here, good Samaritan, now helped me. I changed her to Amide now. Daddy, our problem we have now is just what
The house.
the house.
Yes.
So I came to explain to the landlords. So I now got a place at this Umoro. That place there is market, but daddy, no finance.
I want to leave this place.
I
I
will leave.
don't want you to come here again. That's my problem.
I think you are back now.
Look, I'm back.
Yes.
I'm going for when I come back from where I'm going to in the afternoon.
Yes, sir.
One of my boys will follow you. You go
Yeah.
and show them this new house.
But daddy, I will show them.
Then it's a big business you want to do.
Yes.
I don't ever want to see. If I see you here again,
Daddy, if you see me, lock
if I see you here again,
yes, lock me. Even this woman affair, she came in. This woman I explained for when she saw all these things, the house of daddy. I was buying shako from village. I go to this Basa TV. If I buy it 800, daddy, I will bring it. If I sell 1.5, I will tie. Daddy.
because you were not supposed to come back to this place.
Daddy,
That's my only problem.
No, daddy. I told you that I said, and this boy, just for this boy not to follow bad groups. That is why I came.
Like today, we are going to be giving out a whole house, complete home, to a widow. The widow has been sleeping on the street in Galeja Junction with 2 kids, and that alone speaks volume of who Jumabi is.
On behalf of our brother who's celebrating his birthday today, this is the key to your new apartment.